Hi students, good morning to all of you and welcome to online class. Student, as per what I said in the previous class, that is a cleanliness of surrounding. Based on that class, now we shall solve some exercise question answer. And this topic is very simple and very beautiful is there. So this class you have to look be carefully because of the questions are there, and you have to know that if you have care very well in this class, then you have to give the answer very easily. So that's why you have to look be carefully. Okay, can I start now? Yes. So first one, this is fill in the blanks with correct alternative. Fill in the blanks with correct alternative. Here, solid waste like fruit and vegetables, fields and egg cells are dash. They are given two options. One is a non-biodegradable, one more is biodegradable. So they are asking solid waste like you are already knew. There are two waste. One is a solid waste, another one is liquid waste. They are given here solid waste like fruit and vegetable peels. Vegetable peels means this is also the waste product, and egg cells are whether they are non-biodegradable or biodegradable. Yes, student, biodegradable. That is biodegradable. Biogerdable. And second one, solid waste like plastic, glass, nails are dash. He definitely will tell because here is the biodegradable, here non-biodegradable, because plastics, glass, all are there non-biodegradable. Biodegradable. P-I-O-D-E. Sorry student, D-E-R-G-R-A-D-A-B-L-E. Non-biodegradable. Here also B-I-O-D-E. D, this one student. Okay. B-I-O-D-E-G-R-A-D-B-L-E. Biodegradable, and here non-biodegradable. Okay. Third one. Dash lay their eggs in the stagnant water. Stagnant water means water. Dirty water. So here they are given two options. One is the mosquitoes, another one is the birds. So here what the answer is for this question? Dash lay their eggs in the stagnant water. Yes students, birds is not lay their eggs in the stagnant water. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in the stagnant water. And fourth one here, dash spread the disease like cholera and typhoid. Cats, flies. Which one is? Cats is does not spread the diseases. Flies is just spread the diseases. Okay. And fifth one, we should try not use dash bags. Which bags? Cloth bags or polythene bags? Polythene bags. Why? Because polythene is a non-biodegradable. That's why we do not use the polythene bags. Here write polythene. Okay. And next we will come to the tick the statement that are true and cross out the wrong word. Okay. So dengue is the dengue is caused by flies. Is it correct? Dengue is caused by flies? No, dengue is not caused by the flies. So it is it correct? Wait, only 1 minute. Yes, students. Dengue is caused by flies. No, this is the wrong answer. Why? Because dengue is caused by mosquitoes. That's why it is wrong. And plastic is a biodegradable waste? No, plastic is a non-biodegradable. This is also wrong. Third one, liquid waste should be treated before these are emptied into the river and seas. Liquid waste should be treated before these are emptied into the river and seas. No, this is also wrong, student. We should not treat it to empty into the river all liquid waste. That is, if you do this one, then whole liquid source becomes dirty. That's why it is wrong. And it is not necessary to remove the garbage regularly. It is not necessary to remove the garbage regularly. Oh yes, this is also wrong. And one more, student, sorry for this one. This is the wrong correct answer because before here is there. So that's why it is correct. Liquid waste should be treated before these are emptied into the rivers and sea. So before we emptied into the river and sea, we should be treat for all the liquid waste. So then when all liquid waste becomes clean. And it is not necessary to remove the garbage. That is good, not good. It's very unhealthy for our life. And stagnant water does not cause any harm. Is it correct? No, stagnant water causes so many harm. Mosquitoes have developed in the stagnant water. Then mosquitoes have lay their eggs in the stagnant water. They form and to bite us, some diseases are coming. So that's why it is also wrong. And here, match the following. Yellow fever is matched with which one? Yellow fever. Yellow fever come from what? Mosquitoes. Cholera, flies. Glass, non-biodegradable. Orange peel, biodegradable. So these are the exercise what solved in your textbook. Exercises are there. So remaining answer the following questions. You have to try in your home. Suppose if you don't know, I will tell you later. Okay, bye, have a nice day.